After all of the heat of the real estate market these past 2 years, there may be a few signs that it's finally cooling off. Let's take a look at what's changed this month. I'm Bill Kuklinski with the Home Premier team, and this is your May market update. This may not come as a surprise, but new listings have dropped from 2021, 0.9% from 1,003 homes last year to 994 homes this year. Continuing with what may as well be a common trend at this point, pending sales dropped from 871 homes to 854, down 2% from last year. Closed sales also dropped from 671 homes to 649, down 3.3% from last year. Days on the market rose from 15 days to 16 days, which may not seem like much, but it was a rise of 6.7%. Following the trend of the past few months, the average sale price climbed 18.5% from $285,870 to $338,786. While it may be a good thing that inventory is up 10.8% from last month, compare the stats from last year and it has gone down. Last year, during May, inventory was at 804 homes, dropping to 660 homes, this year at a 17.9% loss. Finally, the month supply of inventory was down 10% from 1 month last year to 0.9 months this year. So what's to come after May? Is this perceived cool down going to continue, or is it just a momentary calm before the summer storm? Let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, did you catch how many times the word may was said in this episode? The last one may or may not count. Let us know the number in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.